Hmm.
Welcome to Siddha Secrets YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about this third day exercise of Siddha's Yoga Danda. First day we have learned the how to use this Yoga Danda in this position, and the second day we learn this position. Now third day we have to do differently this position. Okay. But before we had did some supporting exercise. What we are on the first day we learned the aura power improvement of a u e o a m. For your best of benefits results, you can must to do this exercise, supporting exercise, because this is one time exercise, meaning a one time archana to the god and goddess in a temple. Understand? We are going to the temple, we are doing some archa to the uh, god and goddess for a minimum archana in temples is 16 times, and then 108 times, and then 1008 times, and then 1 lakh times Laksha Archana, and then Kodi Archana, 1 crore Archana. It was tried by the temple management. But in our face, we learn many god and goddesses are in our face. So we are doing this kind of exercise is one time archana. One time if we are doing the like that, a, u, e, o, a, m. Whenever possible time, wherever possible place, you can continue this exercise, because we are not praying, we are not worship, we are not meditation, we are doing penance. Penance means 24 hours, lifelong you have must do something. Okay, so you have to try your change your body, mind and soul powers and the stress and the body language, something whatever suffering you. If so, to reduce your karmas, if you believe in your karmas or not, no problem. To reduce your karmas, these all our exercise are Siddha secrets, not to the common public, not to in the ancient Tamil Siddhas told to the public in the through whole world, but anybody not practice that. Now we are trying very simply, even a child will be able to do this exercise. You must do this aura power exercise, and the next second day exercise what? Power to soul or soul power exercise in the backbone end, a, and the next u, here e, o, a, m. Okay. Now we are going to the third day of Adanda training. What is the body structure? You know, in Siddharth principle, our body having 96 parts in our whole body. 96 parts plus 96 plus 12. What? 96 plus 12. What? 108. We are chanting 108 mantras. We are puja some archana to some god or goddess for 108 times. Isn't it? Why are you doing 108 times? This is the basic. Our total body is having 96 parts as per Siddha's rules, Siddhar philosophy. Okay, from bottom to top of our body, 96 parts of our human body. Okay, plus 12. What is the 12? Plus from the top to Duryam, some places here 12 inches, 12 numbers, 12 inches, 1 feet length. Yes, it's called aura power place. Okay, simply you know See, from the top of the head to this height, this is called aura power end, aura power place, minimum level. Duriyam, Duryadha, something you will know at next classes. So this is 12 inches from here. So 96 of our body parts plus the 12 inches of the holy power, aura power place, totally 108 place. So we are chanting the mantras for this kind of 108 mantras. Our aura power plus our body is connected with the 108 times. Okay. So now we are trying this Yoga Dandam, keeping first day like that, second day like that, third day like that. Okay. Third day like that. Every time we are keeping this left hand side only Yoga Danda. Okay. We are keeping this Yoga Danda in the left hand side only. In this position, keeping Yoga Danda. See, this hand is in Sin Mudra. You know, very simply like that. 3 fingers like that, and this. See this. Okay. See, this hand is like that. 3 fingers like that. This is called as Sin Mudra. Now you can keep this your hand like that. Okay. And this 4 finger of the right hand to this bottom of the left hand palm. Okay. Now you can just simply circulate your clockwise, very simply. Close with, before doing this exercise, close your eyes like that. Then you can imagine that you are standing straight from bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Here to bottom to here 46, 48. From here 49, 50, 51, 52. Some you can, without touching like that, you can imagine numbers only. From bottom to here 48, 48 to here 96, and plus 96, 6, 7, 8, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. And then count down 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101, 100, and 99, 96, 95, 94. Likewise, you can simply you can count down to the bottom. On the same time, your fingers are like that, circulating here. Don't touch here your body. Don't feel your body with this finger. You can do this like that, with just rotate this finger like that. But you can imagine even the numbers from bottom to top, top to bottom. Count down and count up. Count up 1 to 108. From 108 to 1, count down. Just both hands are like that. This finger is doing circulation for 21 minutes. Okay, this is the third day Yoga Danda training. Very simply, you must do very simply. Okay. Just you can keep your fingers like that. Just rotate and close your eyes. Sit down in your comfortable chair, whatever your place, or floor, anywhere. Just keep this hand like that. Left hand only in this place. First day here, second day here, third day here. In sitting in the floor, close your eyes. Same. Rotate this 4 finger in this clockwise. Feel from bottom to top plus 12 inches. Imagine that your number counting just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 96 to this top of your head plus 12 counting to this place your aura powers are here. Count down from here 108 to 107, 106, same like to the one level 1 to the top down of your body, bottom to top and top to bottom, count down and up down. After 21 minutes you can open your eyes. Remove the yoga danda. Just sit in this position. Just sit this like this position. Keep your right leg up. Okay, just lie down left side. Gents only left side, ladies only right side. Lie down. Turn to the center like that. Left palm down, right palm up. 2 4 fingers like that. Slowly, relax slowly. Breathe slowly. Comfortably, you can try to sleep for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes you can open your eyes. Remove the hands, legs, turn to left side, stand up. Thank you. Any doubts, please call me. Yoga Dandam Pon Parthasarthi, Vadabani, Chennai, 93826898994.